Get a feel for the 2014 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, power driver seat. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.